There's a lot of benefits to having an attorney, and I want to be very clear about something. A lot of times we can't control where things occur, right? But you get yourself a good attorney and you can kind of manipulate some things about the system. So for example, I had a case where a guy was defending himself against a restraining order in, I think it was what's called Del Norte County, all the way at the very top of California. We're in Sacramento. This courthouse is like over 500 miles away. So he's having to defend himself there. We filed what's called a motion to quash. The law says that the case has to be held where the defendant is, i.e. my guy in Sacramento. We filed that motion, it got granted. The case was then transferred over to Sacramento. Huge win for my guy, and then she never refiled. So that was one instance where if you know the rules and you're good about the law, which we are, then you can do things to kind of manipulate where things can happen, where the best jurisdiction is, right? Sometimes one person's in one county and my client's in another county and I get the question, where should I file? If you have a good attorney that knows those two counties and knows what they're looking for and knows how they adjudicate these certain kinds of cases, then you could file in that specific county, but you need to have that experience first. I had a recent case where a dad hired me for a child custody case. He wanted to know which county to file in. Some counties are actually really good for dads. Some counties are bad for dads. So that's why you gotta know, you gotta have an attorney that knows their crap, right? They know what they're talking about. They've been in these different courtrooms. They've been in front of these different judges. And even the judges in the specific counties are different in how they adjudicate things. So it's really important to get yourself an experienced, knowledgeable attorney.